In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 1 month of Discord Nitro for free using the Epic Games Store. This is a simple method, and if the offer is available in your region, you can claim it in just a few minutes. It is a great way to try Discord Nitro without paying up front, and I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you do not miss anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games Store on your computer or in your browser. Once it loads, you'll need to sign in to your Epic Games account. If you already have one, just log in as usual. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free by following the sign-up steps on screen. This is required because the Nitro offer is tied to your Epic Games library. After you are signed in, go to the search bar and type Discord Nitro. When the result appears, click on it to open the offer page. Make sure you are selecting the correct Discord Nitro pack and not another unrelated item. If the free promotion is active, you should see a Get button on the page. Now click the Get button. Epic Games will add the Discord Nitro offer to your library, just like any other free claim. Once it has been added successfully, you should see it listed in your library or in your account collection. This is the part where the offer becomes yours, so take a moment to confirm that it was claimed properly. Next, go to your Epic Games library and locate the Discord Nitro item. From there, follow the instructions provided by Epic Games to redeem or activate it. Depending on how the promotion is set up, you may be redirected to Discord or given a redemption flow to complete the activation. Just follow the prompts carefully so the subscription is applied to the correct Discord account. After that, open Discord and make sure you are signed in to the account where you want the Nitro benefit to appear. If needed, complete any final confirmation steps so the 1-month Nitro trial is linked properly. Once everything is finished, you should be able to enjoy Discord Nitro features for the promo period. It's also important to remember that free Nitro offers often have expiration dates and eligibility rules, so if you're seeing this promotion, it's best to claim it as soon as possible before it ends. In this case, the offer is available until June 11th, 2026, so do not wait too long if you want to take advantage of it. And that's it. You now know how to get 1 month of Discord Nitro free through the Epic Games Store. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials, tech tips, and free software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.